Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Yamaha V-Star 950. This beautiful fuel-injected V-twin 950cc cruiser just arrived with only 13,200 miles. Gorgeous metallic red paint scheme. This bike is in beautiful shape. It's got the saddlebags on there. Brand new tire in the front and rear. This bike is in excellent condition. Come on by. Make your cruiser dreams come true for just $54.99. Oh yeah, I like those floorboards and the heel toe shifter. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.